Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Stripe customer data into your CRM. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Stripe customer data into your CRM, begin by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the Developers section in the left-hand menu. Click on API keys to find your publishable and secret keys. Copy your secret key for later use. Next, log into your CRM platform. Locate the integration settings, usually found in the Account Settings section. Look for the option to add a new integration. Choose Stripe from the list of available integrations. You may be prompted to enter your Stripe secret key. Paste the secret key you copied earlier into the designated field. Confirm the integration by clicking on the Connect or Authorize button. The CRM will redirect you to Stripe to authenticate. Log into your Stripe account if prompted, and authorize the connection. Once the integration is successful, return to your CRM dashboard. Now, set up data mapping between Stripe and your CRM. Identify which customer data fields you want to sync. Match the Stripe fields, such as name and email, to corresponding CRM fields. Save your data mapping settings. Schedule how often you want the data to sync. You may have options for real-time updates or batch syncing. Review and finalize your integration settings. Test the integration by creating a test customer in Stripe. Check your CRM to confirm that the customer data appears correctly. Monitor your CRM regularly to ensure ongoing data synchronization. Make adjustments to settings as needed based on your business requirements. You have now successfully activated Stripe customer data into your CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.